Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this smoke detector spy cam that I just got. It's really nice and it comes in this box and it's CAMDUCK and it's really nice. You open it up, comes in nice packaging. It comes like this. It looks pretty nice. Take the base out, so you mount the base, and which I will be doing in a few, and then you can just mount this on it. You can hardwire it if you want. It's also battery operated, so you can charge it, and also it has a space right here for the SD card if you want to have the SD card. It comes with a little clip right here, so you can open it up and you can place the SD card right there, or connect it to the charger, which it comes with too. I'll show you. Comes with a charger, and it comes with a USB SD card adapter, so that when you take it out you can connect it to your computer and look at it. So once you have it mounted, the camera is right here, and you can access it with an app that is you can download, and it's really easy to use. You have it either on an iPhone or on an Android. So you mount the plate. It's very easy, as the instructions show. It's a couple of screws, actually 3 screws. Well, actually you drill a hole, you put your plug, and then you put the screws, and you're good to go. Again, this one you can hardwire if you have the wires. And this one, I had another smoke detector here, it was only battery. I just replaced it, that's why there's a few other holes. But again, if you have electricity, this is a wall. Also, you can have it on the ceiling and anywhere you want. And this is where the camera is. And I'll show you, you can tilt it down up to the side, so it doesn't matter whether you have it on the ceiling like this or on the wall like this. Oh. Let me just go like that, and there we go. And now I'm gonna connect the app to my phone, so I'll show you how it works. So I'm gonna put it right here, what I'm looking at the app. Right now I'm gonna open it, and you connect to the webcam. So you open it up, and see it is upside down. But when we do, let's see, what is it that we do right here? I can select, I believe it's this one. There we go. Oh, no. There we go. So right now I have it on top of the sofa, just recording what's, like you can see right there in front. And the reason why I have it like that is my family doesn't want to have a spy camera on the house. So this is something that I would put on a different area of my house. I haven't figured out where, but again, I just wanted to show you that it's pretty cool, because again, you can choose to move it around depending on where you click, and here you go. You can zoom in and zoom out. See, look right there. And you can take pictures. You can change it to a 4K, and then the definition will be a little bit better. Okay. And it's otherwise is on 1080. And zoom back out. You can take actual pictures, and you can turn it one way or another. You can reverse it. See, depending on what you need. And again, it's very useful if you have like someone who's going to come to the house, maids or nannies, something like that. I would highly recommend it. I wouldn't put it on a guest room or anything like that, but again, if you want to have it for your own security and your family's agreeing to that. Yes, my family doesn't want to have the camera going on. My kids are old, so I don't need to be worried. If my kids were younger and maybe I want to watch what they're doing when I'm not home, or who's coming to the house when I'm not home, I would definitely put this on. But they're already grown up, so no issues there. So as you can see, very nice, very good quality. Hopefully you guys find it as useful and as good quality as I do.